Help, 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 help.
Who's that? Luigi. What did he want? Oh, he was in danger. Why? Because I sent him out to get spaghetti. Why'd you do that? You weren't around, so I asked him. Said it was on like the top of a mountain or something. How come you didn't get me to ask? You weren't around, and I wanted to mess with Luigi, so I told him there was spaghetti or some star coin in like a top of like a Prongo mountain or some shit. Oh, okay. Speaking of which, I want the spaghetti. The car's not starting. Let's just wait for the scene to change.
Let's go!
I just my pants! Holy shit!
Oh, fuck this shit!
Get right there, pervert!
No! Yoo-hoo! Let's go! Hey!
Hello, it's me, Mario.
Out of this house! Out of this house! No! Oh, hell no!
Wait a minute, I don't know how it happened. I'll start over.
Bitch. What is this?
Nah, it's probably nothing.
How about I shove it up your ball?
Bullshit!
We don't have time for this. We have to prepare. We have to go hide. Because the entire town is going to be coming in 3, 2, 1. Hey! I know you in there! You better open up! Cause we have some words we need to say to you about destroying the town. Ah shit, they're already here. Everyone, quick. Jesus Christ. Don't you guys know that things will all reset in like 15 seconds? Jeez. Why the hell do you have to attack our house? Just because me and Mario destroyed the city. I mean, like, come on.
I ain't that shit!
I have seen some shit, man. I kid you not, I have seen some shit.
Oh, I'm coming. I'm done here. I fulfilled my purpose. I ain't need to see no more shit down here.